Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Object-Oriented Programming Tutorials. In this series, you will learn Object-Oriented Programming, that is short from OOP. In this tutorial, I will teach you object, class, constructor, destructor, properties, inheritance, abstract class, interface, polymorphism, trait, static method and properties, magic method, working with object, namespace, autoloading, expression handling, class, object, function. You will get all options in this video series. So, please connect with us to learn object-oriented programming in PHP tutorial.